Hello, I'm Yuri Manso, and today I'll be reviewing the 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma Tri-fold tonneau cover. This is the OEM tonneau cover, so let's get started. So right off the bat, I want to say how easy it is to use this tonneau cover. You just pull on this latch, flip, and then repeat. The cover isn't too heavy, so it shouldn't be a problem for most people. Insert the clips so that the bed doesn't open up while you're driving. There's one on each side. And just like that, in 22 seconds, you have full access to your bed. A close-up of the locking mechanism on the Toyota Tacoma bed, we can see that there's a place for the latch to latch onto and lock in place when you close it. You pull on this lever right here to open and close, and it also glows in the dark if you ever get stuck in your bed. Now with any bed, you want to have as much usable real estate as possible. With the tri-fold cover open, you have 47 inches of usable space for tall objects. Now that's a loss of 26 inches, but at least you can still put everything underneath, unlike retractable covers. Now this cover is really easy to remove. You just pull on the latch, but first you have to go and unscrew this bolt. Once that's done, you can easily remove the cover, and this helps prevent people from stealing your tonneau cover. The tonneau cover seems to be pretty sturdy construction, made of mostly plastic and possibly reinforced aluminum. There's a bracket that's screwed into the front of the bed to hold it in place. Closing it takes even less time than opening it up, and the cover does a pretty good job at keeping rain out. Wouldn't say it's perfect, but it's going to do the job. I'd also say this is a pretty sturdy and safe cover. I'm trying to pry into this and it's not budging, so your stuff should be safe from honest thieves. All in all, it's a great cover, but it does sacrifice quite a bit of bedroom due to its design. Hope you guys liked the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.